In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Movie Maker in Google Earth Pro. So to do this, you want to go to the top under Tools, and then from here, you want to click on Movie Maker. Now this is going to enable and turn on Movie Maker over here, and of course, you can go and export your movies from here. So the first thing you have to do is, of course, record it. So if you want to know how to do this, it's super simple. You simply want to close this. You want to click on this button up top, which is called Record a Tour. Of course, down here, you can start it by clicking on this button, and then you can just start your tour. So you can start your recording, you can go wherever you want, you can basically position yourself however you want, you can go and change things, move around, and kind of give them the preview you want to have inside your movie. When you've done this, stop it down here, and you can then preview it like this, and if it looks good, you can click on the save button, give it a name. I'm going to name this one LA, and I'm going to click on OK. Then go to Tools, and then of course you want to go into your Movie Maker whenever you close this. So Tools, Movie Maker, and then from here, select a saved tour. I'm going to click on this LA one over here, select where you want it to be saved on your computer. I'm going to save it to my downloads, and then of course over here, you'll be able to basically select the video parameters and output config as well, and then click on Create Movie, wait for a few seconds, up to a few minutes for this to actually export, and you'll be able to then see your movie inside your computer files. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.